This lecture will show you how to add information on the table, which will be used as an example for writing a program. Now we have database and table, but we don't have employee information, nor department information. We have to add these information. Go to Employee Database. Click plus to expand. Go to Table. I will start with Departments. Right-click and select Edit Top 200 Rows. Design is for Update the table. Select is for showing information. Edit is for adding and changing information. Expand the column for better view. ID is automatic filled, we don't need to put in any information. We only need to put in the column of department name and notes. Move your cursor to department name. Type in the name of department. First department is IT, type in IT department. Put in remark in notes, for example, IT department. Now I will copy IT department, and paste in other column. Press enter after type in to update the information. Now we have 5 departments, R&D, accounting, marketing, HR, and IT. Also put in notes. Now we have department table. Initial data should not be much. For this example, I will create only initial data. Then go to Employees table, and click Edit. Same as before, do not put any data into Auto ID. Put information in first name, last name, email, job title, and phone. Put your name for example, type the information in. If you see any error notification, just close it down. Press Escape to close it. This notification is showing, cannot insert value into. Go back to the table and look at primary key. Design. Primary key. I see, this has to be, yes,